Şimdi Huawei Cloud Avrupa Başkan Yardımcısı, Huawei Cloud Türkiye Başkanı Sayın Frank Ma'yı alkışlarınızla davet etmek istiyorum. I would like to invite Mr. Frank Ma to the stage for his presentation.
Wait. Okay.
Welcome.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. My name is Frank from the Huawei Cloud. From the Huawei Cloud team in Turkey. It's very nice to meet you here at the CIO Summit. I'm here today with the latest progress of the Huawei Cloud in Turkey and with our new solution. Okay, this is Huawei internal digital transformation success course in the past years. Everybody knows the only constant in life is changing. Huawei is a company that started from the apartment building. We have deep understanding of the cost pressure and the revenue expectation that a company needs to face as it grows. After grasping the rise of the dynamic demand in China and the wave of the globalization, Huawei has been relying on the digital transformation to overcome the bottleneck of the globalization. You can see from this picture on the right, after 2016, Huawei revenue grows very fast, while the number of the employees didn't increase significantly. The per capita revenue contribution increased by 2.8 times, and the revenue of the whole company grows very fast. This is the Huawei, the internal digital transformation success in the past years. Huawei has the traditional habits, which means we will have a lot of the internal innovation and practice and use the service and the product first before we provide the product and the service to our customer. We found the 5 aspects in the progress of the digital transformation. The first one is ideology transformation, which means digital transformation should be customer-oriented and driven by business and digital technologies. The second one is organization transformation, which means we need to build an integrated, enabled team organized by business and the IT department together. The third one is cultural transformation, which means we need to build a large platform to support individual staff contribution and utilize the others' contribution to achieve the maximum business value. The first one is methodology transformation, which means digitize the object, process, and rules. The last one is modern transformation, which means we need to build a data sharing system and adopt cloud native while coexisting with a traditional on-premise architecture. In the past years, Huawei business process and the IT department built a global infrastructure, global network, and the global data center to support the global business development. It covers around 1,000 offices, 2,000 labs, and 5,000 experience stores, and hundreds of the national suppliers parts warehouse. This global network and architecture also connect dozens of the financial centers, R&D centers, and supply chain centers. It also supports over 200,000 employees to serve our customer more efficiently. This is another case for the Huawei device business group, successful case. By modernizing its own applications, Huawei device business group achieved comprehensive modernization of the companies and the user experience, while its user base increased from the 1 million to 1.2 billion in just a few years. The end users can enjoy and access this service with a seamless and smoothly experience. Whether you are in the Istanbul or Dubai or other cities, they can click the icons with confidence, knowing that everything will go smoothly. As a firm practitioner of the modernization, Huawei already summarized a set of the methods that can be used to build a strong and stable foundation for the digital transformation. This is another case for the industry scenarios. You know, Huawei is a very big manufacturer in the global world. Huawei introduced AI, 5G, big data, and other digital technologies to improve the process efficiency of the logistics, engineering, and other business scenarios. You can see from the left side, 80% of certain operation are already automated. And 50% of decision is made by AI. The end-to-end logistics efficiency increased by 20%. Another story is for the annual operation and the quality inspection efficiency. More than 15 million installation project is completed with AI, saving manpower consumption of the 6 million man time for the remote operation every year. All of the capability and the practice can spill over to empower industry digitalization. Okay, as a foundation and as an enabler of the digital transformation, Huawei offers everything as a service to help our customer improve the companies and the adaptabilities. Everything as a service instead of three parts. The first one is infrastructure as a service. We already invested around 1 billion to build a global cloud infrastructure and the global network, and to provide good and the better cloud service for our customer and partner. The Converse is our solution. It consists of the 29 regions, 78 available zones, and several customers in more than 170 countries. And for the technology as a service, Huawei offers 4 production pipeline. They are the code us for the software development, data us for the data governance, model us for the AI development, and the Meta Studio for the digital content production. These 4 production pipeline help our customers modernize their applications based on the core business scenarios, using low-code development and a simple drag and drop options. For the export test as a service, Huawei opened up over 30 years of the experience and our partner best practice on Huawei Cloud. The Microverse is an application platform as a service. Today, I will introduce the two new application platform service. The first one is a cool message, which supports rich message, including the short message, file message, and deliver the message to mobile phone and the smart watch. Another one is a cool search, which is an intelligent search engine. It supports over 15 languages. Driven by AI, it better understanding user intent of the prosecute recommendations. Okay, I will update the Huawei Cloud Turkey cloud business. You know, we already launched the cloud service at the January of this year. And 3 key points here. The first one is the local data center. We cooperated with Turkcell and the engine to provide the local cloud data center and provide localized cloud service for our customer and partner. And our customer and partner can access the Huawei cloud platform and use the Huawei cloud service with latency as low as 25 milliseconds. And the second point is the local service, which means we provide over 78 cloud service and getting support from 400 local R&D engineers. You know, Huawei has an R&D center in Turkey. The third point is a local ecosystem. Currently, we already get at least 40 partners trust to cooperate with the Huawei Cloud business. And we use the local Go Cloud and the Google Cloud framework to build a local ecosystem. Our vision in Turkey is to build the cloud foundation for an intelligent Turkey. This is a Huawei successful case. Over the past years, Huawei ranked #1 in government, finance, and career sector in China. Besides that, over 60 top car makers, 85% of the Chinese top 15 internet company already use the Huawei Cloud service. Through the consistent effort, we also serve the 700 e-government cloud and the 120 career cloud as well. As I mentioned last slide, we launched a cloud service at January this year. Currently, we build a lot of the connection with our partner, our customer, like the Blue TV, Protect E logo, and other customers. I believe, I have strong confidence, in the future, we can provide the best cloud service and the best local support service for our customer and the partner. Okay, this is the end of my presentation. I think let's analyze the digital with everything as a service. Together, we can achieve more than we can imagine. And I want to tell all of you, we will have the very big cloud event at the middle of the year, maybe June or July. I would like to invite all of you to join the Huawei Cloud event. Okay, thank you. Thank you for listening, and thank you for your time. Thank you.